Good evening, Philippines. This is Mike Padua, and we're back to our latest analysis for this Wednesday through Friday, July 2022, and this is brought to you by Typhoon2000. Let's begin with our update. Here's the latest graph set that we issued for today, Wednesday, until tomorrow, Thursday. The southwest surface wind flow has intensified, and it's now the southwest monsoon with the trough disappearing over the West Philippine Sea. And it's only affecting the Calayan Island group, so winds with some heavy rains will be expected and thunderstorms as the southwest monsoon retreats more to the west, okay, as it is being pushed by the now intensifying easterlies, which is the result of the persisting La Niña. That's why we have an off-season easterlies during this time of July, which is not expected since July is the start of the monsoon. But due to the effect of the La Niña, the easterlies is becoming more stronger for the past 2 days, and it's now affecting eastern sections of Luzon, including Central Luzon, Metro Manila, CaLaBaRZon, Bicol region, Mindoro, Marinduque, and Eastern Visayas. So expect rain showers and thunderstorms to prevail, particularly during the day or in the afternoon or evening. But we expect this kind of weather situation to persist for the next 24 hours. Here in Bicol region, we are expecting some rain showers and thunderstorms by tomorrow morning between 8 to 12 noon. So watch out for that. And also, the rest of the Philippine Islands will remain good with some isolated rain showers and thunderstorms, particularly in the afternoon or evening, with the high heat index reaching up to 40 or 42 degrees centigrade. And outside of PAR, we don't have any low pressure areas across the Micronesia, except for here over the upper portions of the Western Pacific, east of Iwato, or to the east of a high pressure ridge. We have 91W, a newly formed low pressure system which is moving towards the west, and this system is not yet expected to intensify for the next 24 hours, but we are going to observe this system. Overall, it's a weak system through the next 24 to 48 hours. And if we take a look at the fast animation from the University of Wisconsin, you can clearly see here the emergence of these easterlies, generating some thunderstorms from the Bicol region across the central sections of Luzon, including Metro Manila. And the southwest monsoon here starting to wane down, while quiet conditions will be expected all throughout the western Pacific without any developing tropical low pressure area, except for a low pressure here to the east of Taiwan, 1,000 kilometers to the east. And if you take a look at the zoom in satellite animation from wind.com, this is beginning around 4 p.m. until 9 this evening. You can see here the thunderstorms developing over central Luzon. A wide swath of central Luzon is being affected by these thunderstorms due to the prevailing easterlies. So watch out for lightning strikes and possible flash floods when we have a severe thunderstorm over your area. And if we take a look at the rainfall forecast for the next 3 days until Saturday, by tomorrow morning, we expect rain showers and thunderstorms to persist across the Bicol region, including Masbate and portions of Samar until likely in the noontime. And in the afternoon, good weather will persist over the Bicol region, but some isolated rain showers and thunderstorms will still be expected across Luzon and Mindanao, but on a lesser intensity, since a high pressure ridge is set to move very close to Batanes. So much improved weather will be expected, but some isolated rain showers will still be felt with thunderstorms along its periphery. And if we take a look at the forecast on Friday afternoon, another thunderstorm activity will be expected in various sections of Luzon, and also over Visayas and Mindanao with much lower intensity when it comes to the strength of these thunderstorms. And on Saturday afternoon, thunderstorms will again happen across central Luzon, southern Tagalog provinces, Bicol region, and also Visayas, becoming more frequent over Mindanao. And so far, that's the rain forecast. So don't forget to bring your umbrellas, jackets, since the rainfall activity will still persist over the Philippine Islands, particularly brought about by the localized thunderstorms during the afternoon or evening. Now, for the rainfall accumulation for the next 3 days until Saturday, you can see thunderstorm activity all throughout the country has begun to decrease with lower chances, but still there are isolated ones that will be expected across the Bicol region, northern portions of Mimaropa, Masbate, and also Mindanao. And if we take a look at the pressure and wind forecast for the next 24 hours, by tomorrow afternoon, the high pressure to the southeast of Okinawa has moved already to the east of Taiwan, so expect some good weather to prevail across extreme northern Luzon with some thunderstorms across the whole of the archipelago, but hopefully it will be on a lower frequency. Okay, and on Friday afternoon, that high pressure will eventually move across Taiwan with prevailing easterlies. Okay, and the rest of the country will remain calm to variable winds, except for some easterly winds over Batanes-Cuba Islands. Now, on Saturday afternoon, the high pressure cell is eventually weakened, but the Philippine Islands will remain hot and dry with high heat index of more than 40 degrees. And calm to variable winds will also be expected in various sections of the country. And there's a possibility that there's a low pressure system here. Likely it's still 91W moving towards the north after it will be absorbed by a passing frontal system to the north. And if you take a look at the global tropics hazards and benefits outlook from the Climate Prediction Center of NOAA, valid for the next 2 weeks. So the potential tropical cyclone formation has disappeared on this week 1 of July 20 to July 26. So the Philippine Islands, because of that situation, will be expecting below average rainfall, but there is still some thunderstorms in the afternoon or evening, but it will be on a lower probability, okay, or below average. While on week 2, valid July 27 to August 2nd, there's a 50% or medium confidence probability of a tropical cyclone formation to the east of Taiwan, south of Japan between July 27 to August 2, while the rest of the Philippine Islands will remain at fair conditions with isolated rain showers and thunderstorms in the afternoon or evening. So there you go. That's the latest for this Wednesday, and we will return on Friday to give you more updates on the weather. From Typhoon 2000, this is Mike Padua reporting. Stay safe always. #WeatherWiser. And thank you so much for watching our channel.